Hi, my name is Abahi, and I am a claims adjuster. If I can help you make money in this very lucrative industry, would you let me? In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 types of claims adjuster roles. Instead of just looking for one type of position, you definitely need to cast a wide net. As a claims adjuster, we are superheroes, sometimes even called angels. First up is the property claims adjuster role, which is going to go out and assess damages, determine the amount of loss covered, and negotiate settlements. Although they really don't do much of negotiating because people don't know that they can. So when you have this role, you should really possess a little construction knowledge. You definitely need to know how to read estimates. Now, with auto claims adjuster, there is a lot more negotiating involved because the mechanics do know that they can negotiate with you. You'll go out, you'll inspect vehicle damage, review police reports, and negotiate settlements. A background in auto mechanics is nice. More people have a background in that than they think, and they actually get paid the least. When you work a catastrophe, you will work for a little bit, and then you won't have work for a long bit. When you have a catastrophe adjuster, yep, you're going to pack up and you are going to be out on the road. You'll work maybe 4 to 6 weeks and you'll get a pretty nice pay, but the work won't come for another 18 months. When you work workers' comp claims, you'll be more of a staff adjuster. You'll be helping people get back on their feet, help determine whether the loss is covered or not, the validity of the claim, and determine the compensation working along with their medical professionals. I think the best thing is customer service experience for that. Liability goes along the same way, but now you're handling those claims that are against your customer. So third party claims, this will need a lot of negotiating skills, understanding of liability. You'll be trying to protect the money from everyone for the carrier. You know, they don't want to pay up. So now, when you work in medical claims, along with the other two, generally, I would say with workers' comp and medical, you're kind of along the same way, but you're going to be more in the healthcare field. So I want you to take a look at more positions. Public adjusters were not mentioned here, but that's where I got started. They train you for free, and you don't need a license to get started. So look at these positions that I have posted coming up so that you can actually go ahead and apply to these today. If you need anything, go ahead and look up major adjusters on Google. We answer questions there, not in the comments here.
This is the 50 state guide on how to become a claims adjuster. You can also search for jobs this way by going to the state of your choice. All 50 states are represented. You can see that here. You can learn about the licensing process if you're not familiar with your home state. If you don't have a home state, or your home state doesn't require a license, don't just jump and get Texas and Florida. Next, you have this yellow area that has employers, like 25 different employers in insurance just based off the letter. So you see that I there. Now I'm going to go to the Indiana state page, and this book actually lists 25 employers in the state of Indiana. So super cool resource for someone who doesn't want to waste time going back and forth looking for positions. I'm actually going to demonstrate a good way you can use that list when you're on when you choose a company. You go to their career site. And again, you type in that word that you type in when you're on Indeed, just claims. It also gives you an option of location just to narrow it down. But I say keep your options open because maybe you are willing to move. This position is an auto that popped up second. And a lot of people do want to work auto, but this is a senior adjuster position. Well, I still included it, even though most people here don't have any experience at all. Just to show you what experience can get you. You have 2 to 3 days of remote work to establish a balance of work and office. Me personally, I don't like that because if I want to spend a month somewhere, I couldn't do that working any remote or hybrid type of position. Now, they are looking for a wide range of experience, just 3 years, really. Now, the top paid positions will have more experience, but again, most people have more experience than they realize. The other cool thing is some companies will list the other cities that the position is in. So if you have a friend or such that is trying to get into the business and they're in the area, or you're just willing to go somewhere else, you have that option. There's like thousands and thousands of companies in this guide that you can take and use in order to find positions that nobody else is looking for.